Hello team, this is Jeremy Ellsmore. I just wanted to show you guys real quick how students can go into the PBIS rewards app. The easiest way for them to gain access is to go to PBIS rewards.com. If they go to that website, and they just click the login button. And there's a staff login, a student login, and a parent login. The students can click the login. Then they have to just type in the school name. So Silverland, spell today. There we go. And then, I'm just doing an example. And they'll click I'm not a robot, and they'll click sign in. Oh, looks like I typed it in wrong. Let's try that again. So they just need to know their first initial, and then their student ID. And then they can click the Stay Logged In button on their Chromebook, and then they're logged in. This is just a test account for an example, so they can see what's in the school store, and they can actually purchase things in the school store, or they can also go back and look at how much their balance, what's in their balance. They can buy a raffle ticket. Right now we have a raffle going on, and they can buy one raffle ticket for 5 points. And yeah, so anyway, this is how students will gain access